Good morning, class. Yesterday we read the lesson Making Friends. In the lesson, there are two girls whose names are Jo and Meg, and they are March sisters. One boy is also living near their house, that is Laurie. Laurie is the boy who lives in the neighborhood, but he is alone. He don't come out of the house. The another character is his grandfather, that is Laurie's grandfather, and he is old Mr. Lawrence. One more character is there, that is Maid, the helper in the Lawrence household. The scene 1 begins when Jo and Meg are talking to each other, and Jo is ready to go out of the house. Though it is very cold, Meg stops her, but even then he went out of the house to clean the street. And she went out and she cleans the snow from the road. When she comes out, she tells about a boy, Laurie, who lives near their house and who is quite alone, and he wanted to be their friend. She tells this thing to Meg. Meg was very happy to listen this, and then one day Jo and Laurie, they talk to each other, and Laurie invites Jo to his house. Jo went to his house and saw that Laurie is not feeling well. He is suffering from throat pain. So she has brought some good dishes for her so that he can eat them easily. Also, she requests Laurie to read something for him. Laurie agrees. After some time, Laurie's grandfather comes and he meets Jo, and he was very happy to see the young lady in his house. So let us do the exercise now, and in the exercise, the first question is your comprehension. In the comprehension, you have to see that in A part, it is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option, and the one question is Meg was reading. What was Meg reading? Ivanhoe, Ivanov, Iron, or the Bible? So the right answer is Ivanhoe. Second question is, Meg thought that it was dash of Jo to go out because the weather was very cold, and so we have to choose the correct option. 4 are given: clever, odd, brave, and kind. So the right answer is brave, because it is very difficult to go out when it is very cold. So the answer is brave. Now the third question is, Laurie was not allowed to go out for a week because he dash. So he had been sick. He was suffering from cold. That's why he was not allowed to go out of the house. Now question number 4 is, to make Laurie feel happy, Jo offered to. What did Jo offer? She offered to read to him. Now the B part question answers are there. You see, read the sentences and answer the questions. She can never sit still for even a moment, but she will be back soon, complaining of the cold and telling me how her feet and ears and fingers are frozen and ready to drop off. So these are the lines, and there are some questions on the basis of these lines. So the question number 1 is here. Who said this and about whom? So these are the lines spoken by Meg to herself. She is talking to herself. Nobody is there in the room, only she is talking to herself. Now the second question is, why did the speaker say this? Why did Meg say these words? What was the reason? So Mag says these words because it was very cold outside. And the third question is, what did she really say when she came back? And the words were, Joe started me, means she was surprised to see Joe. We will never draw that curtain anymore. It is the second now. And I will give you leave to look as much as you like. I just wish, though, instead of peeping, you would come over and see us. So first question is, who said this and to whom? So who is the speaker of the line? What do you think? Joe is the speaker of these lines and she is talking to Laurie, because Laurie looked at their house daily when the curtain was not there and he sees them daily. So Joe asked these lines to Laurie. The speaker gave permission to look at which thing? Which permission was given to the speaker? Given by the speaker. So the permission was given to look into their house, because all the sisters sit together with the mother, and Laurie was very happy to see all these things. Now the third question is, how did the person refer to as you describe what he saw behind the window? So the person referred happily to you. Who is you here? You is Laurie and the person is Joe. So he referred here happily. She was not angry that the boy is peeping into their house. The boy is looking into their house. So these are part A and B. And now I am going to stop and